I gotta work it. Hello everyone, welcome to Watch Dogs 2. Now I know this is kind of late game. I realize it's been out for a while, but may have been busy with some stuff. Yes, I have. Also, while I'm at it, this is my first video, so why don't you go down and hit subscribe, and please, thank you. I love you. Actually, not really. I don't really know anyone at this point, so just do it anyways. Alright, let's get started. Let's change the difficulty. You guys want to see a bad boy? Boom, didn't see anything. I'm gonna keep it on normal. I always start out games on normal. It's a nice car. I want that. Ooh, that's me driving it too, I think. Yeah. And that's the guy on the loading screen. We got this nice young thing jumping out the computer. That's nice. I'm actually playing this game on my PS4. I got nothing else to say about that. If it would just load even faster. It's like right on the top. Come on. Oh, by the way, if you guys watch my videos in the future, you're gonna know I get impatient really quick, and even if I do, okay, never mind. I'm gonna leave that as a cliffhanger.
Consider this your DedSec initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit, and I'm sick of getting harassed for it.
All the more reason for a purge. We'll be watching.
Try to keep up.
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Oh, music. Love music. Press. What? Oh, alright. By the way, I never played the first Watch Dogs. I haven't played that. I might, even though it's like really, it's not really old, but it's really too old for me to now play it. What I got? What I got? Taser. I only got a taser. Okay, wow. This is exciting. Money, $72. I love it. Ooh, hi. On that. What the heck? I'm just trying out different buttons. That does that. I don't know. Tase. What's this? Oh, it's the Noodle 2 microcomputer. $5,000. Hold L1. Okay. I get up there. Easy. Pro. I'm gonna be saying this now, but I'm just gonna be guessing in the future right here. I'm gonna fail a lot. Oh. Oop. Cutscene.
You're wasting your time.
Am I? Am I wasting my time?
He's not in.
Yeah, I am. Look closer, idiot. Jeez. Look,
Gotcha.
see?
So that's
See
him.
how it is? Yeah, you're
He's got
a
a
terrible
gun.
hacker. How about
Is that a
that?
problem?
Well, problems are why you keep me around, right?
Time him. I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
By the way, I played a little bit of this game a long time ago, so that was like long, because I just had the demo for it. I didn't even play much of it, really. I didn't even really do any missions, but try to do any missions. I know what to do on this. Basically, after this, I just basically got in a car and drove around for, like, they give you 3 hours to do whatever.
The home domain
The
awareness
entire
hack?
time I'm just
That retro?
driving around, not
We
even
told you that
caring about
already.
anything.
Yeah, I never
around.
listened.
I know.
So what's his deal?
He was raised in Oakland, but was born in.
What's his deal? What's your deal? Why are you asking me all the?
His
Oh,
deal is
you're not asking.
He's
me.
been hanging around the DedSec.
Why are you
privacy,
asking so
and
many
he's gone
questions,
crack.
huh?
Figured we'd give him a test drive.
On the
Nosy.
hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I wanna
Guys,
see if he's
there's a
smart,
first time.
stubborn.
Oh shoot! Crap! Ah! Get away from me! Yeah, suck it. Alright. Bad part is about this, you can't take their guns. Like, that's the thing. I hate it. Suck it. Okay, this coward's hiding behind a wall. Face me like a man. Can I do this now, please? Jeez.
He's done this before.
CTOS tagged him as the
come
prime
on.
suspect in a high-tech burglary. So,
I
He's
missed.
done time.
community service. Not enough evidence. Just the word of CTOS's predictive algorithms. Once in the system.
Always in the system.
I see a guy on the map somewhere. Do. What? You don't see me?
Holy shit! He went for it.
He won't have
Oh,
much time
yeah, I
before the backups
did.
kick in.
Oh. I'm trying to do a cool move. I've done this before. No. I'm probably just wasting, like, now it's like, I'm just, okay, whatever. I'm just being ridiculous.
He's going in the hot aisle.
It's at least 120 degrees in there.
Who cares?
Give
I'm a
him props.
man.
He's going the mile.
I'm not going a mile. I'm climbing not even a foot down the shaft. That'd be hilarious if he fell down there. Probably also break a couple of bones, but mostly hilarious. Do a backflip.
He's in the system.
Don't.
Nobody's gotten that far. This is like the secret cow level.
Oh my gosh. Shut the door. No one needs to know I'm here. Yeah. Alright, ready? Bam. Bam, bam, bam. And you're ready.
Why's my threat so high?
What? Okay, I just saw something. Hang on.
This is bullshit.
Shut up.
Fuck.
Yeah. Or I could just.
Or I could just.
If its threat probability is really at 82%, this freaking U.S. Army would be on this guy right now. Grano profile. Done. That is a meat packer. That sounds exciting.
Just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah.
We got an intruder, people. And a freaking intruder. He's intruding our intruder. Take him out. I already know what to do. Just bam, bam.
Hey, what's that? Hang on.
Can't seem to move besides that. Doesn't he have any botnets on him? No, I can't even. Jump it. Jump it. No, don't do that. I said jump it. Shut up. Don't say anything. I don't want to jump the gap. Yeah, I want to drop down.
Oh!
Ow. You said there's a word. Ow. Parkour. 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 No people behind me. 2 of them behind me.
Hold it right there!
Help him.
Where the fuck I'm gonna go?
Josh! Okay.
You think they'd shoot on me right when the door would open? Cause you know, you would think once he opened the door, he was gonna try to escape. So you think you would shoot him? Oh great! Now with this long freaking bullcrap.
A citywide operating system merging big data with surveillance, security, and transit programs. With a few hundred lines of code, hackers were able to hijack its central servers and cripple the entire grid. Many believed the attack would be a killing blow for smart city development. They were wrong. Coordinated from the heart of Silicon Valley, CTOS 2.0 has been implemented across the United States,
You guys
ushering
probably
in
didn't want
the
to hear
Internet
that,
of Things.
but you did.
6.4 billion
And
connected devices
now you
now
know.
serve as collection points, mapping and recording our daily routines, making a more secure and more invasive system. But who else is listening? Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands of little brothers monitor and aggregate your every move, building a complete digital profile of you to be bought, sold, or stolen in an instant. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers. Appliances, consoles,
That reminds
and
me,
home
you guys
security
hear the
systems
Talking
give
Angela. It's
corporations
kind of
a
like the
window
Talking
into your
Tom, like
private
the
life.
version.
Control of your vehicle
I
and
remember
mobile
that.
device
Apparently
can
that
now
was
be breached
some guy,
remotely by
creepy
anyone
guy
at
on
any
the end of
time.
that, like
You may
watching
think that
people,
you are
children,
immune or
really.
underestimate the risk, but
That
your
was
digital
creepy.
shadow is already compromised. Insurance companies use
Is it
algorithms
though?
to monitor your
Is
life
it?
habits and
Is
limit
it
or deny
compromised?
coverage. Health
don't
providers
know.
determine if
I'm
your
too awesome
cancer
to be
is worth
compromised.
treating. Search results and news feeds are skewed to bias mood and influence your vote, engineering social uprisings on a massive scale. You are now less valuable than the data you produce. This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer an option. With threats to personal freedom rising, many are stepping forward. Whistleblowers,
I'm gonna
activists,
skip,
and
make you
hackers have
guys-
drawn their battle lines, putting the
maybe not.
establishment
Yeah,
on
I'm not.
watch. But are they threats themselves, or have they become freedom's last line of defense? Freedom's last line.
I don't want a freaking eyeball. That's good.
So, am I in?
Not just yet. You're not ready. Just kidding.
Welcome to DedSec.
Yeah, they actually welcome. Did I fool you? Did I fool you?
I'm Zatara. This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Yo,
Hot sauce.
You're hot sauce? Yeah, man, I loved your frat house hat. Real talk.
Thanks.
This weirdo's Wrench.
The needs of the many.
And this Casanova is Horatio.
What's up, brother?
What's up, man? It's the crew, huh? Took y'all long enough to come get me. Shit. You saw Bloom's bullshit. CTOS isn't just regulating infrastructure. The amount of personal data that thing is collecting is fucking mind-blowing.
Yeah. It's Big Brother and Little Brother all rolled up into one.
Huh?
Sees everything you do and tells on you.
Thank you, Josh.
So what's the fix?
Sledgehammers and fire. No! Sledgehammers on fire.
You notice the bottle falls down, but
All
nothing
that
comes
data
out.
in one place means they can reject your fucking application before you click on it.
Congratulations, you have been pre-rejected.
That's embarrassing.
for our-
That would be
Your
embarrassing.
house or your insurance.
Try to get a job in
That's not
McDonald's
even
and
the
you ask for an
worst-case
application, they
scenario.
give you one, but
All
before
that
you could
data in the
even
hands
sign
of
your
the
name
government,
or anything,
they'll arrest you
they
for
just
shit
go
before
ahead and
you even
freaking take
do
it and say,
Yeah, I've
you
been
know
there.
what? No, we don't like you. Get out of here.
Fucking know why. Man,
How embarrassing that'd be.
fuck it. Fuck it,
And
man.
you just order 5,000
We're hackers.
Big Macs and
we
walk out the
think
door.
We out there. I say we tear down the fucking wall. Hey, show everyone what Bloom's up to, man. Show the world that their personal data is being used to rob them of their fucking freedoms. Fuck. I installed a back door, so all we gotta do is walk right through.
Hold on.
What?
You
Sold the
what?
back door, so all we have to do is walk through.
Bingo.
Oh crap!
Hey, man.
My control failed.
Do you have the time?
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
man.
I got it.
surprise! That's right.
Oh,
I got a troll cube.
Night run, isn't it? Hey, what are you running
Jealous?
from the cops?
Okay. Don't
Maybe
fit.
I am one.
Hey, you look familiar.
See you around.
Have a party.
Never mind. Have a good party.
Fucking ping this motherfucker. Fuck you, Bloom. I'm gonna go have a goddamn good time.
Beep. Beep. Blah.
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
In the ocean, where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it out.
Okay, come on. Yo, whose place am I in? Cause I could never make you unhappy. No, I
Watch Dogs 2.
I guess I was lit, huh?
Like
I get. Oh crap.
Mardi Gras. Go
Oh,
get
until
yourself
she
something
finishes.
to wear, and I'll tell you where to go next. Oh, and you'll need your phone ready for operations. So hit the store and download your apps before you get here.
Damn, walk of shame on my first day.
Just for now. Maybe drawing the man. Alright. Anyways. I get caught up in these games. So, my bad if I go for like... I'm gonna try to limit... Sorry, bro. I'm trying to limit myself to... like 30 minutes. This episode. Sounds good. 30 minutes. So I get caught up in these, and then there's times where I don't want to stop playing them, and I go for like freaking ever. Just like me talking. This thing's going forever. Ah! Sorry. Oh, sorry. Why? Why are you being like this? Just want to get them closed, man. Don't want any trouble. Bikes here, though. I'm gonna steal one of these when I get changed.
Sorry.
You're not sorry. Shut up. All right, man. Let's freshen up. Let's see. No. That's gay. No. That's even worse. No. Actually. Pirate bag, that's for some reason $750. Oh my gosh. I like these. Hats.
All right, Satara. So where you at?
Sending you the
Guess
location
I don't get the
and the passcode for the door.
It's just fun to see. Oh, look, a cop. Ow. Wait, did the cop really just not do anything when I ran?
I know you can hear me.
I know you can also shut your mouth.
Please leave now.
I was about to say for a second, like, what's the deal with the cops? I'm sure he's like, oh, wait, oh no, oh, jeez, that hurts. I actually, want to see if I can steal a gun's gun, a cop's gun. Alright, no, I don't want this car. I want a freaking gun. Alright, now I'll get in the car, though. I mean, you don't leave me much options. I just wanted a gun. I didn't want to die. My bad. Died during the tutorial. I see. This is embarrassing.
I told him.
Hey. I mean, I got a gun out of it. So I'm kind of happy. This looks sharp. Nothing suspicious. Oops. But I don't want this car. I actually was just gonna drive it over here and take this car. Why? Don't even bother asking, because I don't know. Let's see. Now I gotta like hackerspace.
And so many suffer needless hardships. Help us help them. Remember, not everyone can adopt a child, but anyone can help a child.
Yep, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. How? Get on me. Like, I literally just killed a cop. I literally killed a cop. What do you mean you don't have me? I shot the freaking officer, man. I don't want the cops on me. I know I'm wasting everyone's time. You're doing this. Probably want me to go on with the game. But you know what? Don't care. I literally shot one of them. Gosh. I don't know about you, but if I freaking heard or even felt someone shoot me, I think I would like turn around and actually find out. First person mode. I'm in an actual. Oh jeez. I would not be in a good driver. Probably won't be. I get my tungsten like you. That's right. I'm 14. That's my first YouTube video. Got a problem with it, click off. I mean the video.
It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Alright, let's go to the hackerspace. I love this car. This is one of the cars I drove, and I love it. So let's go get it. It's actually, oh yeah. I want it. I want you back. I want you back. Want you back. Sorry, I don't listen to that, but my brother used to be like, really? I should just shut up. Old man like you shouldn't be even driving a car like this. You ain't cool.
911, please state the nature of your emergency. It's an emergency, a big one.
A big one.
I think I've lost a caller.
Someone probably ran you over. Brem. Don't ask me why I like this car. I just do for some reason. Haha. Whoa, okay, that lady, okay, never mind, she fell off. Boop. Alright, this car's for yours. I don't want it anymore. I'm taking this car. Nope. Take your money first, and take your car next. Explosion. Money. Explosion. Botnets. Car. Shoot. suck it. Ooh, skills, man. Ooh, look at him. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh no. Money. Oh, nice greeting. Love it.
Yo!
Finally. So Josh and I spoke, and fucking over Bloom has been a long-standing project.
All right, you need two things to take down Bloom. You need to get people to rally behind your cause and separate you from the trolls.
And we need bots, and a lot of them to handle the data CTOS is processing.
Thank you, Josh.
We spent all night modifying our app so you can get followers to download the app, and we can use their processing power for the cause.
This is happening? It's really happening?
Yeah, man, this is happening. You better get to it.
Hell yeah, man! Barbarians are at the gate ready to bust some Roman heads.
Yeah, we're gonna focus on some high-profile ops, playing for exposure and laughs to get people to download our app. All right.
Don't worry. So it was only fun.
That was
Marcus!
something
Check you out.
fun.
Alive and dry. I wasn't sure after your moonlight swim. Come here. You've got to check this out.
You gotta check this out, man.
Behold, our very own open source research app. So, like, all of us here pool vulnerabilities that we find, and we encourage everyone to share their work, their research, etc.
Okay, so what's the research app do?
Widen our skill set? Make us irresistible to the gender of our choice?
What, so it's like a I know Kung Fu kind of deal?
If Kung Fu was a gender and not so 1999? Absolutely.
I mean, this. That too. Ooh. Ooh. Which one should I pick? Let's do this for now. Just because it gives me more botnets.
Behold.
No wonders of technology.
A 3D printer?
This is the army of
printers.
It is capable of pumping out an arsenal of lethal weapons down.
Seriously?
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good, except I'm no hipster.
You keep telling yourself that. Now try to make something. But don't blow us up.
Alright. Can I make a bomb? And blow everyone to pieces. Let's see. Change this up for that just because it can. Oh, I gotta print something else. Yay. Jumper. Oh, alright. You put it in your magical back pocket, I see. Yeah. Yeah, oh, wow, dude. So unrealistic, bro. Wait, really? What you doing?
Good to have another brother here.
Good to be here, man. Are you all hackers?
Yeah, kind of a basic requirement to get invited into the hacker space. But we all have our specialties, like Josh over there. Always building shit that shouldn't work. Now he's trying to build this big-ass drone.
And Wrench?
Good engineer, too. But better at breaking shit apart. And yo, Satara? Sis got skills as an artist and a graphic designer. Without her, DedSec's walking around without a face or voice.
What about you? What's your superpower?
Tactical coordinator, or cat herder. Take your pick. I make DedSec go where it has the most impact. You heard of Prime 8? Those are some real dirty hacking motherfuckers.
Yeah, I brushed up against them before. It wasn't pleasant.
All right, that's what I like to hear. Link up with me when you're ready to do this, and I'll fill you in. There's always someone running ops against Prime 8. Bet they'd love your help.
Okay. Too bad also I don't have online, so I can't do any of that.
This whole place is something.
We used to keep track of news feeds on here, but now it's our follower wall.
So it knows if we're trending?
No. It's based on hard values. How many people downloaded our app, how much processing power we have access to, you know.
Nice.
And, speaking of which, we're downloading the DedSec app into your phone as we speak. When it's ready, open it up, click the suggested op, and hit the park outside so we can test it.
Sounds good.
One more thing. I put a reminder on your phone so you remember what we're gunning for. Get enough processing power to take down Bloom.
Walk in the park. Kinda literal. Notice how's the weather on here. That's like that's pretty cool.
DedSec found Josh. Hot sauce. Posting and
okay, don't care. The Mission Dolores Park.
The spiritual organization New Dawn.
Oh, the news. Don't care. Ooh, is my car. Take it to the park. No problem. Yoink. Sorry. Just taking around in the park, I was told to. Orange signals to locate. Sorry. Where's that?
Don't let them steal our voice.
Come on.
The app's downloaded and I'm in the park. What am I testing?
Start profiling things around you. People, devices. See what you can pull from them. That's what helps us figure out our next ops. And running ops that are important to people is how we get them interested in DedSec.
Bro?
The more followers download our app, the more intel we get. It's the circle of life.
Oh, and see if you can find some components to help us with our research. Hipster merchant!
The app is your data mining tool.
Of death.
Okay, I got this. So what now?
Up to you, man. You're free to do whatever catches your eye. We post ops to the DedSec app, and doing them helps us get followers. And followers are our Skrilla. Followers mean computers, which boosts our processing power, which lets us do bigger and badder ops.
Oh wait, I can do this. Alright, okay.
Hey, so what's this about Bobo Days?
You know Bobo's working on a new album, right?
Yeah, I heard.
Well, you won't get to hear it? Motherfucker Gene Carcani just put millions on the table to keep it all to himself.
What does a big pharma CEO want with a rap album?
Dude has a huge Bobo collection. And he probably wants to hang that shit on his wall like a damn trophy. Just rubbing his money in our faces, bruh.
Do you know if Bobo took the deal?
He hasn't announced anything yet, but he will. It's a lot of cash.
And maybe there's still time for an intervention.
Time for what?
Time for what?
I assume you guys have heard of Gene Carcani?
He's the shit sack who's on TV laughing about how he's raising the price of leukemia medicine.
Yeah, the most hated man in America? Yeah, I guess.
Guy's a huge Bobo Dakes fan. Must have read Bobo's in town recording new tracks because he's
offering millions to keep
the album to himself.
So stupid. Bobo will never go for it.
The real one won't. So we're gonna do it for him. I'm gonna visit Bobo and see if I can borrow some of his new tracks as proof that we're legit.
How do we contact Karkani?
I need you guys to run through interviews, podcasts, whatever. Find me some usable lines. We're gonna make a soundboard.
Really? I love this.
I press A. Looks fun. Yeah, man. I'm going really fast, man. Ow.
Guys, the Cyber Driver trailer just dropped.
Oh, yeah, sweet. Hey, don't watch it without me.
Meet you at the Hackerspace.
I'm on my way.
Cyber Driver. Not right now. I got nothing to say right now. I mean, I really don't. Get that freaking awesome red car over there. I'm taking this.
What's happening? Man,
Park it right here. What?
911.
Why you got? Civilian shooter? I didn't shoot anyone. I mean, I can if you want me to, but oh, what is going on right now? Come here. Come here. I'm feeling it's not Bobo Dakes.
I've got a new Bobo track the world has never heard before. How's the soundboard coming?
Yo, a Bobo Dakes, bitch.
Oh, perfect.
So, how do we contact Karkani?
I'm gonna visit his mansion. I need to see his face when we do this.
Sorry, my bad, sorry. Turn right now. Awesomeness. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Was there explosive barrels there? What are explosive barrels just doing in the middle of the freaking middle of someone's backyard? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Remotely makes sense. Let's see what that was. Oh, it's propane. Okay, propane tanks is a lot. Makes a lot more sense than freaking explosive barrels. I can see why you have propane tanks. I think. Wait, do I? You have a grill back there or something? Oh, I didn't really see it. Hello. Hell, the world are not hack. Ooh, what can I hack? Can I hack something?
Time to mess with the farmer clown.
This ass face deserves it.
Hello?
Sup?
Sup? Who is this?
Yo, bitch, it's Bobo Dakes.
Holy shit. I'm a huge fan. Are you taking me up on my offer?
Yeah, I laid down some hot tracks.
Really? Fantastic.
Yup.
Can I get a sample?
Born and raised, born to craze. Head is blown the fuck away. Feeling lucky. You ain't the hero of the story. Don't go out in a blaze of glory. Make my day. Tell a Bobo sent you.
Damn! That's dope! That's your best work yet.
You're welcome.
And this is exclusive, right? No one else gets this, just me?
Yup.
So how do you want payment?
The bitch better have my money.
I do. I just need to know how to route it to you.
Y'all, check it.
Ah, there. That's the routing number?
Yup.
Uh-huh.
Idiot. I don't think the guy would be like, yup, exactly the same. Exactly the same, like 3
This
times.
is like a dream come true.
Yo, bitch, it's Bobo Dakes.
What?
They say God made man in his own image, but God made himself in Bobo's image.
What are you talking about?
Yo, bitch, it's Bobo Dakes.
No. No. No, 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 no. Oh! What the shit? No! What? Come on, what are you guys doing to me? Why me? Come on! I'm a good guy! It's just business! I got shareholders, bitches!
I wonder how long I've been recording. 'Cause I don't have a timer. That probably reminds me, like, from now on, I should probably actually start using a timer.
He just donated $20 million to leukemia research.
Bitch better have my money.
Yo, who did that?
This area is closed to the general public. Please move away.
Oh. You gonna catch me? Taking mine. Ooh.
I'm a smart guy.
Oh.
Be advised, we have reports of previously identified target near your location. Over.
911, what's your emergency? TOS is monitoring the situation. Police are on route.
Alright, so... Alright. You know what? I'm gonna make this a little bit shorter because next time I actually use the timer, I'm gonna make sure how long I do record. I feel like I'm recording for a little bit. That's it for right now. Go ahead, leave a like if you like. Get it? Actually, that was probably the worst joke you guys are ever gonna hear. Leave a like if you guys like this video. Put down a comment for some reason. I don't know. Make sure you hit subscribe, please, and thank you. I would really love it. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Okay. Okay, I don't want to do that. If you guys know a really awesome YouTuber that I just accidentally mimicked.
Congrats, Marcus. Our follower count is growing fast.
How many are actually giving us access to their computers?
All of them. That's the point. They give us access to their power, a giant cloud computing network.
So do people sign a contract? I vow to let DedSec own my processor?
We're transparent. They know before they ever install the app that they're giving us access to their computing power, but never their personal info.
That's a lot of trust. Silicon Valley would kill to have that level of intrusion. Private data farming runs their whole economy.
Yeah, but we look out for our own, man. That's why people are joining our movement. To make a statement against the technocrats.
Move!
Alright, got me a fresh new ride anyways. But leave a like, leave a comment, please subscribe. And I will see you guys, I will see you sometime. See ya!